Hi, my name is Emma. I'm a rising sophomore and I go to Lynbrook High School. So my project is to detect bad posture, and this is my final milestone. So for my final milestone, what I did was I connected my flex sensor here to my LEDs here so that when the user is in a bad posture, not only does it show on the serial monitor, but it also shows on the LEDs and it lights up red. And then another thing that I added was this reset buzzer. So instead of resetting the code to tailor to each user from the Arduino, I added a box that is still being printed, but the user won't be able to access the button from the Arduino. So I made an external button here so that when you press it, then it resets the code. And then finally, also what I did was I made an app that connects to a phone, and when the user is in a bad posture, then on the phone, it will display a notification, and it also shows on my app here. So first, what I have to do is I have to connect my Bluetooth module here. And then this is my app. So when the user goes into a bad posture, the LED lights will light up, and then it will show me a notification on my phone. And then when it returns to good position, then it will show that. Also on the home screen, you can see that there's a notification here. So when I do it again, it'll also show here. So some of the challenges that I had with this was to connect the Bluetooth module to the phone and also to get the flex sensor to light up the LED lights. So it was challenging to get the flex sensor to light up the LED lights because I had to figure out how to black out the LEDs because I don't want them to be on when the person is in a good posture. And then for the notifications in the app, my Bluetooth module is kind of finicky and it's not very accurate every time. So it took a long time to get the Bluetooth module to pair with the app, and I had to forget the device and then repair it many times. And then finally, the last challenge that I had with this was to get the notifications and the ringtone on the Android phone to not go crazy. What happened was I was using serial.print to send the data from my Arduino to my phone via the Bluetooth module. But because I was using serial.print, which sends characters, it kept sending them in packages. And then it was lagging a lot on the phone, and it would give like the notification 30 seconds after the user had, or after the LEDs came on. So to fix that, I had to use serial.write and serial.flush. So serial.write is essentially the same thing as serial.print, but print allows the data to be sent over as characters or strings, but serial.write is to send over binary and send over bytes. So in my code, I wrote serial.write to send 1 byte at a time, and then serial.flush, which is another function that allows the data to be sent over right away. So basically, this data from my Arduino here gets sent over via serial.write and flush, and then it gets sent over as binary, and in the app, it reads it as either 0 or 1. So 0 is good posture and 1 is bad posture. That's why on the app, when the person is in bad posture, it displays a 1. So that helped fix my problem. And since this is my last milestone, one thing that I would do to make my project better is to probably solder all of the components for my breadboard onto a perf board so that's more permanent. Thank you.